What's up, y'all? My name is Devin, the DIY lawn coach. We did it, guys. We reached 1,000 subscribers. I am so pumped. I'm so excited. I'm so grateful. I've been waiting for this moment for a long time, and it's all because of you, because of your love and support. So, as I promised you guys, we are going to do a 1,000K video sub giveaway, just like in the video. So we're going to do that this Saturday, September 14th at 7 p.m. Eastern. So make sure you set your calendars. You don't want to miss it. We're going to plan on about an hour, spending some time together. We're going to answer some questions you guys might have and just kind of hang out together. And then we'll give away some of those prizes. As a reminder, the only way that you can be entered into that contest is to watch the video and make sure you do the things that you need to do to be entered into that contest. So glad to reach 1,000. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys on Saturday, 7 p.m. Eastern. Peace.